What's going on YouTube? It's your boy Mr. G.D.I.Y. back with another video, man. Hey, as you can see, we in the garage, man. It's supposed to be the painting of the SS, which it is, but you know, sometimes things happen. I'm gonna show y'all the good, the bad, and the ugly, bro. Ain't nothing perfect. That's why it's DIY. It's a DIY, you feel me? So sometimes it go good, sometimes it don't. But I'm gonna show y'all what I got going on. I was painting the SS. I did paint it, but I stopped. Then I'm gonna show you the reason why. Let's go. All right, so yeah, here go the SS. I threw the white on there, you know what I'm saying? I was doing good, great. The first problem I had was on one of my paint guns, the filter broke. So that was a problem. Boom, damn, I'm like, okay, I guess I gotta try to use the new gun now. The filter broke, so I grabbed the G.D.I.Y by Craft. Boom, got the paint, it started laying good. I'm like, oh, it's all right, it's straight. So honestly, I wasn't painting the whole car. I was just hitting spots, you know what I'm saying, that I did a little body work to, and it's gonna clear it. So anyway, you can see just a tad little bit right there. That's where I did a little work at, and I was gonna go back over with another coat. But overall, you know what I'm saying, it's good. It's just that you can see one right there that what I had, that white would take a lot of white, and I ran out of white, so I got to get some more white. That's cool, but that's not even the problem. This is the problem I'm about to show you guys now. Everything was coming good, going smooth, going well, you know what I'm saying? Everything was Gucci. So I get around here, and as I'm painting, I paint, I look, I'm like, hold on, what's going on? I see a damn chemical reaction. Look at that. You see that? So now I'm hot. I'm like, man, look at this here, boy. I'm up here trying to do some shit, and I got a chemical reaction on it. And that wasn't the first one. This was the first one I seen right here on the mirror. So boom, chemical reaction. So that's what I got going on, you know what I'm saying, which everything else was hitting. But for some reason, I don't know why, it just started chemical reacting right there. Like, I don't know why. Maybe I had sweat. I don't know, because it is hot in here, but maybe that's what it was. But overall, I was doing good, man. I was like, all right, I'm gonna throw the clear on it, but it's cool. I'm gonna just run and grab some more white, hit the little areas, you know what I'm saying, touch up on what I was gonna touch up on, and then I clear it. So I just wanted to get this video out and show y'all, you know what I'm saying, sometimes things don't always go as planned, you know what I mean? And you gotta stop. Mind you, I still had to go to work. I was trying to just do it before I go to work, because I wanted to just be productive. So, you know, it is what it is. In the garage, I just let the door up, got to feel the two fans. Hey man, I'm trying to put y'all down now. I'm trying to put you down. I got more content coming, man. I guess next video y'all see of me probably fixing it, repainting it, and clearing it. So that's just what that is. So that's what we on, man. Guess I'll run up, get some paint tomorrow, and go from there. So hopefully sometime this week. It's like, I think today May 20th, something like that. Anyway, 19th. Yeah, 19th, I think. I don't know, but anyway, sometimes shop get backed up, you don't know where to start. You gotta do it yourself. It's your boy, Mr. G.D.I.Y. We out. Peace.